Welcome to the world of tomorrow, where your company is doing well, your team is working hard, and together you're driving innovative ideas to take the company forward. If this doesn't sound like you today, maybe it's time to think like a leader. Hi, I'm Bronwyn West, your favorite creative business and leadership development specialist, and today I'm going to talk about a creative thinking tool used in guided brainstorming called SCAMPER. SCAMPER, S-C-A-M-P-E-R, is a tool used in brainstorming meetings when a company wants to find better options or solutions for their products, people, services, or systems. It is used by tiny little companies or even big, gigantic global companies. It is used by anyone, and I know that it can help you and your business to get that little step closer to success. SCAMPER is an acronym and it stands for Substitute, Combine, Adapt, Modify, Put to Another Use, Eliminate, and Reverse. Let's start off with substitution and take a look at this pen. What can we substitute about this pen to make it a better or just different product? It's made out of clear plastic, it's got black ink, very basic, very simple. What can we substitute to make this a better or different product? Maybe we can change the casing to metal instead of plastic. Maybe we can change the black ink to a different color ink. Maybe we can take the pen out completely and find something that gives us the same or similar results. Maybe a piece of chalk, maybe a piece of charcoal, something that we just want to write down if that is our end goal. Still at the pen, moving on to C, which is to combine. What can we combine with this pen to make it a better, more meaningful, more useful, different kind of product? Maybe we can add multiple pens into one. Maybe we can change half of it to pencil, the other half to pen. Maybe we can combine it with something completely unrelated, completely different, and find a different way of looking at it. Moving on to the A, which is adapt in SCAMPER, and taking a look at the pen, what else can we adapt this to? What else can we have this pen do? It doesn't just have to be a pen. Maybe it can be a musical instrument. Maybe it can be a tool to carve something. Maybe it can be something completely different than what it was designed for. Imagine if you've never seen a pen in your life and all of a sudden you got this little tool in your hand. What do you think it could else be? What else could you adapt it to? Moving on to the M in SCAMPER, which is modify. How can we change this to modify this to do something more or different? Can we flatten it out and make it a flat pen? Can we do it a triangle pen? Can we make it bigger? Can we make it smaller? What else can we do with this pen to change the value of it? Moving on to the P, which is to put to another use in SCAMPER. We ask ourselves, if we look at this pen, can we put it to another use? Does it just have to be a pen, or can this be something else? Maybe a prop in explaining SCAMPER on a video. Can this be a weapon of war? Can this be a symbol of peace? Moving on to the E in SCAMPER, which is to eliminate. And we ask ourselves, what can we take away from the pen and still maintain the value or add better value? Can we take out the ink? Can we take out the casing? Can we take out the purpose of this? Moving on to reverse, which is R, which is the last letter in SCAMPER. And we ask ourselves, what can we reverse? Can we reverse the function of the pen? In other words, instead of leaving ink, can we take up ink or eliminate the ink or reverse the ink? Which means we just invented the eraser. Either way, if it's already in use, that's fine. We're not asking for the only idea or one idea, only increased fluency of ideas. We just want more ideas. And SCAMPER is just a way to get us there. And that's it in a nutshell. Now that you have a better understanding of how to use your creative thinking and how to generate more ideas and get different or better results, what you can do is you can leave me a comment down below and you can tell me if there was a point in time where you had to use one of the SCAMPER techniques, meaning that you substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, or reverse something to get better value, get a different result, or just to solve a general problem. And let's have a conversation. If you want to develop more creative thinking tools and techniques, or just explore your creative thinking in a different way, you can email me at leader@thinkvaughanwest.com and you can get a free ebook on my 21 creative thinking challenges. And with that, I hope you learned something and I look forward to see you next time.